Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Mecca here from my self-publishing blueprint, and in today's video, I want to show you, in a second, we're going to jump right into my computer. I'm going to bring up a document here, and I'm going to show you an email that you can be sending out to your readers to help build value, to connect with them, to build relations in order to continue to have them purchase books from you, and almost more importantly, or maybe more importantly, leave reviews. This is an email that one of our students has been sending out to his customers. He sends out emails almost every other day, sometimes once every day. And he's been able to build up over 100 organic reviews by just connecting and sending out emails like this. So I'm going to show you an example. I have changed some of the words and the topics and some of the points just to mask the identity of the person and his books for privacy reasons. But this email should give you a really good sense of the type of content you can be sending out to your readers all the time. You don't have to be begging for sales all the time. It's just about building relationships and connecting with them. So let's take a look here. I'll pull it up and I'll go through it with you. So today's October 28th, which means we have 65 days left in 2020. Yeah, that number gets much smaller when you get real about it. Plan on celebrating Thanksgiving, Christmas, Boxing Day for Canadian, Aussie, and UK subscribers. Right? Talking about everyone around the world. Plan on taking some weekend time to yourself. Sure, no problem. There goes 21 days out the window. You're left now with a mere 44 work days remaining to accomplish your goals, less than 2 months. How prepared for that reality are you? Many people will soon go into the state of mental hibernation, basically dismissing the rest of the year and checking out, BSing themselves to believing that next year will be different, or that you'll get your priorities on the first of the year. But for me, I choose another reality. At Blueprint Publications, we're trying to make the next 65 days our most productive ever. With 2 more books to be released, the recording of 4 more audiobooks, plus special extras for the upcoming holiday season. All because we want you to be in the best possible position to exponentially grow yourself. That's the game we play, and play to win. So be sure, we're sure that life has a few surprises for us in the next 18 to 24 months. So we're prepared for every possible scenario. We want to help you do the same. So if you want the playbook on how to expect the unexpected, then check out the book on how to get through any challenge without doing anything. It's a complete guide on building a state of mind which not only survives but thrives in periods of global uncertainty. You can get it on Amazon by using the link below. I love this email because it's generic. It's one of those, it's fun to read emails. He's not pushing you anything. He has a couple cool reminders in there about the, 65 days left, but really it's like less than 2 months if you kind of really think about it with 44 days or so. And this can relate to anybody in pretty much any niche. But these are great examples, or this is a great example of the type of emails that you can be sending off to build relationships and to build connections with your customers. You don't have to be sending something overly complicated and detailed, about your niche. You can send some of these, I don't want to say lovey-dovey type of emails, but something like this is a great example. So I just want to take a quick second here, throw up a video and show you something that's been working really, really well for one of our students inside my self-publishing blueprint. And if you want more information on that program, definitely check out the link in the description. Until next time, everybody, I'm Ameka, and speak to you soon.